from probably Arab people. Some expensive restaurants as well. Yeah. I think there's a university down there. Oh, I've seen some very cool down there. I'm gonna go. Okay, I think I'm gonna show from the right and then I'll go to the left. I've seen some very cool, fine Christmas decoration that was put up. Wow. You can only find most of these decorations like this in the center. So it's one benefit of coming to the center of Moscow all the time. Every time you have an opportunity, just come to the center. You see, it looks like a house, you know. I'll go to the right, show what's on the right, and then later I'll go to the left and then see what they have on the left side. There you go, more Christmas trees, more decorations. When you're streaming with the phone, it's a bit weird the way people just look at you. It's almost like they want to see who is watching. But come on, guys, it's normal too. It's just that's why. Oh my God, that's why it's better to not say anything and just show you guys what I wanted to show you guys. And then there are some African ladies. So there's McDonald's there. Showing green. Let me go before it shows red. Yes, y'all. If you're just joining the channel today, if you're just what's the name? What was I gonna say? If you're just new in the stream, the point of today's stream is to show you guys decorations in Moscow. There you go. Christmas decorations are wild. I wonder how much they spent in. This is how I look at things. I appreciate it, but at the same time, from a business perspective, I kind of try to like predict how much they spend to decorate such a place. Huge. It's not very beautiful now compared to the way it is at night. Imagine all of this place being a little bit dark with lights, of course, but then this will be shining at night. Oh my goodness. Well, let's go inside. Let's have an up-close look and then see. Looks like a paradise, you know. It looks like a royal entrance. Okay, yeah, my name is King, so royal entrance. Look at this decoration. In summer it looks very good, in winter it looks very good, in Christmas period it looks even better because of the decorations. Oh my goodness, do you guys see the sun? Or am I the only one that sees the sun? Do you see the beauty of the sun? Wow, take a moment to appreciate it. I'm not going to hurry. I'm giving you a couple of minutes to take your screenshots, to take your pictures, and just appreciate nature, appreciate the handwork of the decorators. And then this, okay, I'm still too close for you to see how huge and big it is, so I'm gonna go a little further while we approach these decorations on this side. Wow. 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 Let's see if we're aha! I think we're at a good place to be able to show this. See how huge it is. In summer this was not there. Like 1 month ago this was not here. It's literally been put up for the Christmas celebrations here. So don't be surprised if you come here in February you don't see it here. So you should understand that it's just for the New Year celebrations. There are a few of my brothers and another family. Okay, yeah, my black people. So it's always very good. You know, we are very positive people. So when you see each other, you just, you know, you kind of interact. It's very nice. You can see the lady is very excited because she just came. It's very funny that she just enjoyed, because she looked like a child, you know, with the guy. The guy has been here for like a year, but she just came and she's just all over the place. She's so excited. I thought they were very against me posting them on the internet, but then I realized that they actually wanted to be there. So I'm pretty sure you guys are going to see this later. Когда вы это видите, bonjour. Bonjour. Comment ça va? Ça va bien, da. Anyway, let's continue. That's an up close look. It's also very unusual that you don't have people there, probably because of the time of the day that I came. Wow. Usually this is a fountain. In summer, it's like water flowing from this. So you may not notice it now, but in summer, it's literally floating. Guys, look at this view. It looks like a paradise. A paradise at night, especially. In the daytime, it still looks normal. In the daytime, it looks like places for kids' decorations. But at night, it looks like a paradise. Trust me. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be here till night because I gotta walk, and a few other things I gotta do today. But like, I need to do a separate stream where I come here at night. Guys, look at that place as well. I'm gonna get to that place very soon. But so far, we're here. Everything is according to plan. That's the floor. Look at the beauty. There's yellow. No, that's not yellow. That's orange. That's pink. That's blue. That's pink again. That's orange. It's all part of the aesthetics to make this place look the way it looks now. You know. So they told me, hi, hello, Horizon. Horizon. I hope I pronounced your name properly. If I didn't pronounce your name properly, I'm sorry. I'm trying to pronounce it properly. Hello. Anyway, everything here, it's all according to plan to make it all look very beautiful. Wow. Anyway, we're gonna continue exploring. I think it's better to go back to the entrance and then go to the right before oh my god, that place was actually red before. Now it's green. Now, oh, okay, I'm going there. I'm not even gonna take my time. I'm gonna run there and then see how far I can get there. Oh my goodness, it looks so good from a distance. Look at how green it is now. I think before we get there, it's gonna change color. It's getting darker, so the beauty is coming up. The lights are coming up. They're showing the way they are supposed to show. Now it looks like just a normal iron, but trust me, it's not just a normal iron. When it gets late at night and a bit dark, it's very beautiful. If you don't know where we are, this is Pushkinskaya metro station, right at the center of Moscow, at the heart of Moscow. If you are here for the first time, try your best to come to Pushkinskaya. This is a very popular street in Pushkinskaya. It's like a T junction or a cross junction. Roads lead to everywhere. We're gonna hurry up, and then there's another Christmas tree like the one we saw at Mayakovskaya. Huge, same height as well, almost as tall as the one at Mayakovskaya. Very popular street here. All roads. If you're not careful here, if you're not a good driver, you can't drive around here because the road is just wild. Different traffic lights. You have to be able to know your own traffic light. I told you guys that place is gonna change color. It's changed. It was blue when we came. Now it's like white. But anyway, that's 2026 from backwards. Sorry. Sorry, I'm showing you guys from backwards. I just want to hurry up and show this place. It looks very cool. I couldn't wait to get here. Now I'm here. And then you have Zimli Club. I think there's a winter club here. Maybe a rich boys club. Maybe like a Soho club or something like that. They put their logo or their badge or their representation right at the center of Moscow. Yeah, I had to climb the stairs. That's why we came from. I remember we were there. That's the view from a distance. Anyway, Zimli Club. I think this is a very rich people's club in Moscow. Moskovsky Season. Moscow Season. Now look at this view. Before we go inside, look at this view. the lights are gonna change. Oh my, you know, it's crazy. There's so many things I want to show, but I'm just gonna show this one. I hope the light changes. Now it's white. I think it's gonna change color very soon. I don't know if they are off, but from a distance they look on. I hope they come on so that it will all make sense. At night it will be wonderful. There's a building down there, ultra glittering. As you can see, that's a different building, but here I don't know if the lights are on or off. I can't really see it from inside here. I hope they will be on when I'm outside. I'm inside. There's still work still going on. Oh, okay. The red. Oh my god. I thought I saw the red. Oh, makes sense. I thought, nah. I think this is. Oh my goodness. I think the beauty does not really show now because of I'm underneath the place. I need to like go outside to be able to show it. I need to go outside. Let me strive to go outside. But anyway, you can actually have the feeling of the red, but you can't really appreciate it because when you're underneath it, everything just looks very big and put far away from each other. Different Christmas trees. Different. Wow. And of course, different cultural representations. I hope they're written in English. Yes, some of those things are written in English, so we're gonna go explore. Then there's a kids playground for everybody who don't know. Now it's green. Wow. I think it looks much better from from a distance. If you stay so close, you will not really appreciate it.